Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Mary of Creating with Mary. I'm so glad you're able to join me on today's episode. Remember, the last video I made a video showing that I planted yam in bags, and I got quite a few response of people wanting to know how to go about doing this. It's really quite simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to plant yam in bags in your own home, within your own compound, within your own space. But I wanted to quickly show you some of the growth from the last time. Here is the plant I showed. It's a very, I'm going to show what it was before. And this is what it is right now. So it's really grown quite considerably. And this other one was quite grown more than the other one, but my dog cut it up, so it needs to regrow. It will be regrowing a new stem. Okay, here is my new. I got these 2 bags filled with soil today, and so I'll be showing you how I will be planting my yam in this soil. So this is the yam. Okay, I'll talk about it. So this is my yam that I've cut off. This is the head of the yam that I cut off from the yam I bought from the market. We've consumed the rest of it, so I just cut it out, and I didn't plant it immediately. It's been in the kitchen for a few days, but I wanted to just ensure that I captured the planting of this one on video so that you can see the journey of each of the yam plants from here onto the leaf starts coming out, and then by the time it's ready for harvest. So yes, you see the yam head, the yam plant is already has some growth, some growth out of the head of the yam. It already has some growth right there, several growths. There's another one here, and so all those green areas where you have your growth. So I'll be demonstrating how to do this in a sack, planting the yam in a bag or a sack. So I have my soil already prepared into it's loosened. This is an old knife that I used to dig out some of the soil. So I'll be digging out a few depths, just a few centimeters of depth. With the knife, I use my hand to guide the soil from falling back in, and just this is a base where it sits into the soil because this is growing out. I could also make it this way, but because I have 2 ends, I really don't know which of them will eventually shoot the most. But I guess this one right here with the bigger shoot, with the bigger outgrow, will come out. So I could just leave it in here this way, and it's going to grow out that way. So sit it inside the soil and cover. So just cover it with the soil on top, and then let nature do its magic. And that's a simple way to have. I didn't want to show gathering soil in the bag because I didn't want the video to be long, but you can get soil from around you. If you don't have, for some areas that are not cemented in your garden, you can can gather soil from there. This is really good soil. You can see how rich it looks, dark. That's loamy soil, and it's really very fertile. So yes, I really don't need to add any fertilizer or anything to this soil. So I cover it and water the plants. After covering it, water it. Though the soil is quite wet, water does good to the plant, to the new plants. So this is going to soak down into the soil. So that's how to plant yam in a bag. Very easy and straightforward. When you're putting in the soil to cover the yam seedling, ensure that you're gentle, because those seedlings that have already started shooting out are very tender and they can easily break off. So you want to cover the seedling with care, with a little bit, not pushing down and then injuring or cutting the tender outgrowth. The next time your yam starts growing in your kitchen, don't throw them away. Just find a bag with some soil and plant them in. And in another 6 to 12 months, I think some people harvest yam even within shorter periods than that. But within 6 months, 8 months, the yam is ready. I mean, reasonable sized portion of yam for you at no cost. So yes, this is something you want to give a try, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do enjoy watching the video, I want you to give the video a thumbs up and share it to your friends and your family members. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I want you to please do subscribe to my channel so that you can get more of such content on my channel. And if you like the video, YouTube use the algorithm to recommend similar videos to you, or to recommend these videos to others based on the algorithm that is generated. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. Thank you for your comments. Please keep them coming. I like to read your feedback. I like to read your comments. I like to get your feedback on how my videos are doing, on what you like, what you don't like. I like to get those feedback. I like to know if you're doing similar stuff. I like to also know how yours is going. And I do hope you remain safe. Thank you so much for watching. See you again sometime soon. Bye for now.